gatia barai kurwa sorogongo rwa Gusii bakoragwo n'uyu kabeiro mugavana bwe county ya Kisii James Elvis Ongwae nabo igo omuchumbe o South Mugrango Silvana Sosoro nigo barire irayo gochia kubwatia serikali na nene kubwatia umuwaziri w'esemi Ezekiel Machogu nigo bayakwa nachinga kibomira na ase ense mu gusasa magacha bomas imeyo mu Nairobi eryo gokwanira emerobero au eyo babegetense moyo gosira serikali kwenekia ense ya Kenya yabereke gusuka mutwe.
All of Kisii and Nyamira are here. All the professionals are here. Na sisi sote tumekubaliana na tangu leo we shall be one thing. We shall work as a team and we'll be working under our CS Mheshimiwa Machogu Seki.
The meeting was about leaders coming together. The leaders engaging and joining hands with the professionals. Elected leaders, parastatal leaders, and other civil servants. Of course, this is not the very first meeting. The first meeting was held about 2 or 3 weeks ago, thereabout. It was basically for professionals, and this one was to synergize both teams of the elected leaders and the other professionals. And our resolve is that election is now behind us. We are all behind His Excellency President William Ruto. Number one, we invite him to come to Kisii.
Time for politics is over. This is a time for development. As a Kisii nation, we have all agreed to come together to support His Excellency the President. And we also, all in this meeting, thanked him for appointing our son as a CS for a major Ministry of Education. And we sent him to tell His Excellency the President that we welcome him to Kisii and that we are all supporting his government.